Hello guys, and welcome back to CycleFab. In today's video, I'm going to go over the fan nozzle with you for the Eastwood. A lot of you guys wrote to me and asked if I could do this, and yeah, sure, why not? In the previous video, I just used the Harbor Freight to demonstrate the fan nozzle. Well, that was fine and good, except for all the guys out there who have the Eastwood. So, no problem with that. But in doing this, I made a little bit of a discovery, a good one. And that is that my original diffuser kit works fine with this fan nozzle. In the previous video, I said that it wouldn't work. The reason why I said that is because I was working with a prototype developing this fan nozzle. And it did not work with the prototype. Well, when I went into the production run, it does work with those. So you can run the fan nozzle with the original diffuser kit, and it really kicks butt, honestly. I'll give you a demonstration here in a little bit. Now, the piece of sheet metal that I'll be doing is 12 inches by 18 inches. And just for interest to me and to all of you out there, I thought it would be wise to go ahead and use the original diffuser kit and just make a line across here, just make a pass, actually a couple of passes to get it nice and dark, right through the center of this and get a measurement. That stripe is 3 inches, and that's through the most dense part of it. And it is pretty dense from top to bottom. Okay, it doesn't really fade off at all. That's with the original diffuser. After I put the fan nozzle on it, it kicked it up to 5.5 inches. And again, like 2 or 3 passes through there. And it came out really nice, a lot better than what I expected. And it definitely came out better using the diffuser inside of the fan nozzle versus without it. Now the difference between these, I mean, one's 3 inches, the other one's 5.5, is 2.5 inches. That's 83% greater coverage with the fan nozzle. Now, for all of you new people out there who are watching this video, if you're into powder coating, DIY powder coating, where you use the Eastwood powder coat guns and also the Harbor Freights, this is the channel to watch because I make a lot of modifications to these guns, as you can see in my previous videos. And there'll be a playlist off over here to your left that you'll be able to see these at the end of the video if you'd like to check them out. This is going to be a really short video, so if you guys are liking this video so far, then please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and go ahead and hit that notification bell so you know when my next videos are coming out. Now, take a look at me powder coating this piece of 12 by 18 sheet metal. This is done in real time. It's done with the diffuser kit and also the fan nozzle. And it really didn't take that much at all to do this. And this is on setting 1. I did not kick this up to 25 kilovolts. This is on 15 kilovolts, the low setting. And I got great coverage out of it with minimal powder loss. Now I want to stand to the side of the camera and show you the width of this. You have to realize that I'm holding my gun back 6 to 8 inches from the sheet metal as I'm powder coating this. So when I stand off to the side of the camera so you can kind of see the cone that this creates, you get an idea just how much coverage it's actually putting out. If any of you are looking to purchase any of these diffuser kits or nozzles for the Harbor Freight or for the Eastwood, then just go down below. There's links down there that'll take you right to them. I hope you guys liked this video, and I hope it was a very good demonstration on the Eastwood with the fan nozzle using the diffuser and just how well this sucker actually performs. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and I will get back with you. And I'll be seeing you guys this coming Saturday. I'll be putting out 2 videos a week now, Wednesday and Saturday. So be looking forward to those. You guys take care. Bye.